Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix black screen error in Wavins Mid. It's pretty easy. So first thing you can try is to just go to the window icon, hit right click on power button and just restart the PC. Sometimes this can solve the issue. Then the second thing you need to do is to update your windows. Like if you have any pending updates available, update the windows and the problem should get fixed. Then the third thing you can try is to just go to the search bar, type your task manager, open it, and if you have any processes or applications running in the background, you can close them and then relaunch the game. Then if the problem still persists, then the fourth thing you can try is to just open the launcher. Like if you have Epic Game Launcher or if you have Steam, just open the library of your games, select Wavins Mid, hit right click on that, go to properties and choose this option installed files. Here you're gonna see the option for verify integrity of game files. Basically you need to repair the game. Click on that, let the process finish and just relaunch the game. This should fix your problem. Now let's say if your problem still persists and if you're still getting that black screen, then the last resort you have is to just try different launcher. If you're playing the game on Steam, you can install Epic Game Launcher and install the game there. If you're playing the game on Epic Game Launcher, then you can use Steam, as well as you can also download the game directly from browser. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. These are some solutions which you can try to fix black screen error in Wavins Mid. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.